Hey guys, it's time for tip of the day. Today's tip is the storage optimization. Let's go and check it out.
Go to settings and move to general and then move to iPhone storage. At the top we can see the categorized storage status, and below that we can see two recommended options like offload unused apps, and the other one is iCloud Photo Library. By enabling offload unused apps, the never used and least used apps are automatically deleted and the relevant data and the documents are saved to the iCloud. And when I reinstall that app, the data and the documents are restored along with that particular app. By enabling iCloud Photo Library, high resolution and original photos and videos are saved on iCloud, and the low resolution copies are saved to the local drive. By enabling this option on my device, I can save up to 1 GB of data, which is shown over there, that can be used for further usage. This is a very good feature and helps in saving the storage data.
Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.